Hello my unique learner, in this video I'm going to tell you how to learn English with television. To support me making more videos, please subscribe. Television is great for learning English. The pictures make it easier to understand than radio, and because you can see who's talking, you get a better idea of what people mean just by watching their body language. Watch programs that you find enjoyable and entertaining. Whatever you watch will help you to improve your English. Here's the top 6 tips to guide you learning as much as possible while watching English television. Only watch programs you find interesting. Learning English should be fun, not something you have to force yourself to do. If you have a passion for football, watch matches or the sports news. Keep a notebook near to your television, so that you can jot down any new words or expressions that you hear. This is especially useful if the program you are watching has been subtitled into your language. Try to watch English television regularly. Even if you can only watch 15 minutes a day, you'll be amazed how much you learn. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. English television is normally aimed at native English language speakers. Programs often include difficult words and expressions. If the program you're watching is full of unknown words, just concentrate on understanding the general meaning. Even cartoons and children's programs are useful when learning English, and quiz shows are useful for learning how to ask and answer questions in English. Keep a note of television programs and presenters that you find easy to understand and try to watch them regularly. Doing this will increase your confidence and give you a sense of achievement. Thank you for watching. Please share your thoughts in comments.